Yes, DP, how are you, my friend? Karibu. Yes. Ulienda kumchukua mgeni usiku saa 7 ama? Ulikuwa na kazi gani ulikuwa unataka ufanye asubuhi lakini au kazi gani? Walinipigia simu mara nyingi, akasema huyo mgeni ametoka mbali. So I said, let me rush. It was good. Damn hiyo.
Kuja ni side kidogo. Kuja. Macoins.
My brother, Mr. President.
Nice
How are you, sir?
Welcome
to Nairobi.
Really lovely.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
This is
Lovely
your
to
other
be
home.
here. Lovely to be
Thank
here.
you.
Hello, Rachel. Very nice to meet you.
How are you?
Hi.
Yeah.
Thanks for the invitation.
Nairobi, welcome to Kenya. Yes.
Very nice welcome with the flags and everything.
Yes. Welcome, Mr. President. Welcome. You met this young man.
Yes, I did.
He's my deputy.
Yes, he was very much awake at 2 o'clock in the morning. Thanks. Did you sleep well? Your 9 o'clock meeting was okay?
I had to step in for you. Yes. This is the governor of Nairobi.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Scott Johnson.
Lovely to see you.
Welcome to Nairobi.
Thank you very much. My first time.
Yes. This is our CDF.
Alex, very nice to meet you.
Yes. This is his vice commander, General Ostieno, and General Kete. Welcome, Mr. President. Welcome to Kenya.
It's good. You got the weather good as well?
This weather is good. Yes. Yes. Oh, sorry. She was our staff at the for a long time.
Yes.
She's the young deputy minister.
Hello. How are you? Very good. Thank you very much and welcome to Kenya.
Thank you, Excellency.
Excellent. This one I know. This one. Good. Very good. Thank you very much.
Great to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello.
President of Staff.
Okay. Hello. How are you?
My legal advisor as well.
Hello. How are you?
She used to be my advisor when we were
Welcome
here.
to Kenya. Thank you.
Marika Sakhan, cases to the table.
Hello.
She's my chief controller. Really.
Okay.
She controls what I say.
Sarah Sofia.
Hello, Sophia.
Member
How
of
are you?
Parliament and chair of the Parliamentary Friendship.
Once upon a time, I was a local parliament office.
We have
We have two members of parliament with us.
Hello. How are you?
And we got these very nice. This is my foreign policy advisor.
Okay. I like your hairstyle.
He's my peace mediator. He used to work with Monty Antisai for 15 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Mr. Thomas Turk, advisor for domestic and industrial affairs. Major Thomas, current third applicant to the President.
Major Thomas, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
And Mr. Leos van Beek, deputy head of mission.
Not only that, he should become Colonel Lieutenant.
Soon.
Yeah. You guys are promoted already.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. President. Thanks. Welcome.
So we got lucky with the weather yesterday. I heard it was great.
Yeah, I know. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Those two.
This is only a signature also.
Yes, I think somebody has done something very much there.
Now this is where we sign.
Okay. See you guys in a bit. Oh, ooh, wow. Now you have this good old man.
Looks really cool.
Yes, this is elephant.
Uh-huh.
If you have a bit of time, you will see it somewhere in Kenya and the calf. So,
Thank you very much.
and then this is
classic.
this is our. You see our flag.
Yes.
It has this is a shield and spears, just symbolizing protection and part of our national regalia.
Excellent.
Okay.
Very nice. Good decoration. Here, this is by Oiva Toikka, who was one of our greatest glassmakers, artists, and designers, and very closely attached to nature, but he also wanted to give a bit of pop culture into his work. And there are only 1,000 of them. So they are very, people want them, but they are sort of a limited edition.
Okay.
And we thought it was nice because it had some Kenyan colors.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then that's for your bedside table.
Oh, wonderful. I love that. I love that. I love that. Thank you.
This
very
was
much.
from our first Independence Day.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mr. President.